Good morning, everybody, and Merry Christmas. I'm gonna sell a trailer right now on Christmas morning, 300 bucks. Well, unfortunately, I was airing up that tire and it exploded. So as you can see, explosion. So the guy actually had to leave because couldn't tow it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find some 6-lug wheels that I have in a pile, throw them on there, and then call him to come back because he already paid for the trailer. All right, let's go find some wheels for this thing in my pile of wheels. So I save all the old wheels off of these trailers that I get, just in case I need them like I do today. So here's my pile. I've got one wheel. That's a 5-lug. This is a 5-lug. Neighbors' dogs are annoying. Looks like there's another 6-lug. These are all 5-lug. That's a 6-lug. That's a 6-lug. That's an 8-lug. That's a 5-lug. I used to have a lot more than the amount that I have right now. 3, 4, 5. That's not good. See if we can make this work. See, these are other spare tires that I've been saving. But I think these are 14-inch, so they need to get out of here. This is a 15. This is good enough. We'll take this. Take this tire off and we'll put it on the other wheel so that guy can come back and get this trailer. Okay. Just make this a little bit faster. Just pull the valve core out. I wish I had more 6-lug wheels. I tried to take that tire off last night so it would be ready for Christmas, but I could not get that tire off, and I know I'm just going to damage the inner tube, so I'm going to take it to Cycle Gear tomorrow, or the next day, whenever they're open next, and then have them swap it for like, I think it's like 20 bucks or something. Now we'll put this lube on here, hopefully. It's not really wanting to work out. At least we'll do it on the top portion. go. Now we'll do this on the bottom as it goes around. Done. Get our other wheel. Get the valve core back in this thing so it doesn't disappear like I dropped the tool. Okay, get the chrome wheel, put it up here. Should be enough lube on this, but this stuff like dries up really quick. It's not really good tire lube, it's just like water right now. And it stinks. Okay. It went on really easy. Hoping this is a 15. Yeah, that's fine. We're good. Now, release it. That's annoying. Go, step back, let it pop. That'll be enough air. Now let's go put it on. Oh man, I'd rather it blow up here than on the guy on the way home, so. Now we'll swap the wheel. Just throw this thing in the scrap pile. Hopefully this fits. Otherwise I just wasted some time. Pretty sure it will fit though. There we go. There we go. Now, after I give this guy my 2 6-lug wheels, I don't have any more to spare if I need them. That's okay. Call this guy up and tell him he can come get this trailer now. Alright, so the guy's not going to come today. He's going to come tomorrow. He's going to pick up 2 more 6-lug wheels and bring those with him. And I'm just going to take this tire off this other wheel and put it on that white wheel that I have. Hopefully the rust doesn't interfere with anything. We shall see. Get the air out of this one. We'll grab the wheel. I don't need this in here anymore. Bunch of junk. Just throw this over here for now. Pretty sure I cleaned this wheel up the last time a little bit. Yeah, it should fit. That should be fine. Alright, I think that's enough loss of air here. The better way to clamp these is to do the clamp on the outside of the wheel, but right now I'm on the inside. Oop, wrong way. Now, see how it's on the inside? Better to go on the outside. That way, the wheel could never come out. Oh, I need that wheel. I think it might seal, but I'm gonna wire wheel that real quick. Safety glasses. Drill. Not 100% better, but it's better. Alright, let's put this tire on here. I really hope that'll seal. I don't know if it will. Looks pretty crappy. If it doesn't seal, then you'll just have to deal with the other tire that's on there. And then this wheel will just be thrown away or something. Alright. Moment of truth, this thing holds air. Alright, we're gonna have to do the bead cheater. Alright, I'm gonna grab safety glasses, some earplugs. I don't know where they are. Let's use these. Now we are going to take the wheel off and do it on the inside. And the only reason is if it's on the if the clamps are on the outside of the wheel, then the tire can't really grab onto it. I'll do this and this. Pull the lever. Should pop. Got to pop over the wheel. Just one. Doesn't look going to be loud. Two. That's good enough. Hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face. It's holding air. I don't hear any leaks. Change it out with that one. Start this back up. Pull that wheel off. These are 19s. It's 21. That one's loose. Oh no. I hate these lug nuts where they got these chrome covers on them. So then they get stuck. They don't want to come out. Throw these POSs away. All right. See if I can get this one off of my tool. I have a 21 that's got a stuck lug nut in it. See if we can get it off. It's right here. Awesome. Oh, that one's stuck there. 21. All right, everything else is tight. And away it goes. I picked that trailer up off of the Gridley job that I demolished a couple houses on.